Now this time I got a Commodore Plus 4. I don't know this machine, this computer. This is the first time I see one. As I can see on the chips that it seems like it is from 1984. And it's got the 8501 here. But my knowledge of this is not that great. It does not give any signal to the screen. As you can see, power is on, no signal. I found out that the power supply has got a fuse inside and it's not blown. This fuse over here is not blown either. And I'm getting voltage reading out from here. So I get something in here, but when I turn the machine on, nothing goes further on. So I suspect that this switch does not allow the power to go into the rest of the machine. So I'm either gonna disassemble this and look how it is inside. As I can see, it's soldered down here, and I can lift these two pads and maybe go inside and take a look. But as I can see here, it's got a little oxidation, but don't really know what to do other than I have just sprayed it with some contact cleaner just 2 seconds ago. But it, as you can see, I use a normal Commodore 64, what's it called? From DIN to SCART connection, and when I turn on and off, nothing happens. But oh, nice! It should just be clean. Oh damn! Well, I should troubleshoot this board, but now I'll get a reading here. Yeah, 6.3 here. Wow! Well, it was just a switch that needed just a little bit of contact cleaner and put on and off position 10 times or so. So nice. This is going to be a short video about this Commodore Plus 4. I think this is the reset button. Yeah, it resets. Nice. One last time before I reassemble the machine. Oh. Alright, I will reassemble it. The bottom case is on. Let's just take a quick look so we can cover this Commodore Plus 4 and have it on YouTube. Well, this is how it looks before I set the top cover on. It's got a few caps here and here, and a big one here, a little one here, and here at the power input. It would be a good idea to replace them. Also the bridge rectifier here. Yeah, let's put on the cover now. The bottom side of the cabinet. 264 series model Plus 4. Needs 5 volts and 9 volts. It's like the Commodore 64, guys. Okay, this side it's got the RF connector. And on the other side, let's see here, it's got this on and off and a reset switch. And let's check out the back side here. It says power, serial, cassette, user port, memory expansion, joystick 1, I'm using a bad camera, joystick 1, joystick 2, and video out. Audio and video, I think. As you can see, the top cover is on. I haven't cleaned anything. I wanted to make a troubleshoot video with this, but it worked. I got this in box, and I don't think he had used it that much, but let's just power it on and see. Alright, Commodore Basic version 3.5, 3+1 on key F1. Okay, yeah, F1. Enter. What? Okay, okay, they work. I don't know what this is. Reset button. All right, let's try F2 then. Disk load, I think. All right, let's try F3. Device not present. Let's try F7. Let's try Shift and F1. Wow, damn. Shift and F2. Let's reset. And what's happened if I just say load, just like on the Commodore 64? Press play and tape. Alright guys, well that's my Commodore Plus 4. No history with it, no knowledge with it, not interested in keeping it, so this will not be in my collection. Yeah, sweet little computer that works. Nice. Have a nice day guys. Bye.